This is cabin 11233 on the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas. So we'll start out, we're gonna check out the bathroom, but first there's some shelves right here by the door. You've got a full-length mirror over here. You can see things reflected in. Let's take a quick peek in the bathroom. You got a full shower with doors that open. Removable shower head. Bathroom with a little footrest. Your standard toilet. Enough space to do what you need to do here. Obviously plenty of little hooks and so on. Some storage space over here with a little drawer. It's only one drawer, it looks like two because of the mirror. There is storage here by the dressing table and more down below. You've also got your safe and a lot of little cubby holes for clothes, as well as a nice sized closet over here. And it looks like there's a shelf here that you can lower down for more hanging clothes. Small couch and a little table that you can move around. Here's a chair to do some, whatever, sitting while you're getting ready. Hair dryer, tissue, some nice deep drawers, as well as the fridge that is attached to the cabinet. A TV that probably, and it swivels just a little bit so you can view it from the bed. And then of course you've got a king size bed with nightstands on either side. I don't think there are any outlets down low there. There's an outlet. That's interesting. So that could come in handy. And then you come out here to the balcony. Now this is an interior balcony looking out across, I think this is Central Park. So it's quite nice, quite spacious. It's really nice depth-wise. And then you can look down into Central Park. So you get to look across and see what your neighbors are doing.